What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, cryptocurrencies tanked. Bitcoin, Ethereum tanked. Stock market tanked. Allergies up. We'll see you in a second. Okay, let's go right to cryptocurrency. It tanked last night and it went down. Yesterday, I shared with you my portfolio. Before we get that, let's just go ahead and get the stock market out of the way and then we'll get to cryptocurrencies. Stock market, it tanked. It's really brief for me. I'm not buying anything. This could be the bottom, but I'm not buying anything. I'm not trying to catch the bottom. I am going to wait till it bottoms out and show sure signs of recovery because I'm done dip buying. I've done all my dip buying. I'm holding, especially my high growth, my EVs, my high conviction plays. I'm holding all of those, not buying a thing. I know that sounds weird coming from me, but I've been that way for the last week. Not buying a thing. And it just keeps tanking lower and lower and lower. Right. So that's where I am with the stock market. But for those of you that haven't did any dip buying, you might want to start looking at some stock because eventually we'll be in recovery and then we'll be into another bull market. OK, that's all I got to say about the stock market. You do want to look at my EVs and growth stock video. I'm going to leave a link to that at the end of this one, okay? Because it will give you some clear vision, especially EVs, of where they're going to be in, 2023, 2025. So you want to, I'm just suggesting, this is what Larry is doing. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, that I'm going to be holding in those. And I'm just going to wait this out because I'm an investor, all right? Let's get to crypto. So as we could see here, let's go to my portfolio since I've been sharing it with you guys. This will probably be the last day because thank God I didn't put any more money in like I shared with you guys on yesterday. I'm going to show you the portfolio. Those of you that know, this started from $2,400. I have to keep saying that because I have not put any more cash in here. And this is where it is now. So I'm not losing. So here we are, everything. Last I looked, Ethereum was down 33%, Bitcoin was down 17%, and it was already down, the previous week before that. So here we have Cardano, right? Remember, you have to do your own research. I am going to be buying more Cardano at this price. That's what I'm buying. And as you can see here, it is down 22%. Cardano is, and I am going to load up on Cardano. I still think that Cardano will be $7 in this bull cycle by the end of this bull cycle, right? Probably by September. I'm thinking that Cardano has. You have to do your own research. I think it has the room to hit $7. They're solving a lot of problems, and they, the burn rate, the juice rate, everything that's going on with Bitcoin, the negatives of Bitcoin turns out to be a positive for Cardano, ADA, right? Ethereum is down 23%. And that's a lot for Ethereum. But remember, Bitcoin and Ethereum, these are the big boys on the block, right? So I'm going to be buying more Ethereum. This is what I'm buying. This is a buying opportunity for me. Polygon. Remember, we were up really, really high yesterday. We were up 51%. So for it to be down 8% is really no big deal since I've been up, I'm up 178%. So 8% is nothing, right? But here's what I want to show you about Polygon or Matic. When Bitcoin is having these big dumps, coins like these are kind of just holding steady and it's showing its strength. That's why I like Matic the way that I do. I had a price prediction of 5 by the end of this bull cycle, $5. I think it's probably going to blow right past that. So I'm still going to stay conservative with 5, but I believe it's going to blow right past $5. That's what I think. What else do we have here? Ethereum Classic, I haven't been in, but I will tell you guys, check this out. This FEG token, this FEG token, right? I have my eyes on it and LeBron. These two at the bottom here, I have my eyes on these because I think that they have potentials to be, micro coins that will just explode like Dogecoin did, right? And as you can see, Dogecoin is a low. And remember, with Dogecoin, there's a catalyst that's coming up with Dogecoin in 6 to 8 weeks. Coinbase will be transacting Dogecoin in 6 to 8 weeks. So I think there's another buying opportunity, but I will tell you that little coins like that, I'm going to run them up until I think it's hitting its high. And then I'm going to convert mostly all of my portfolio into Ethereum and Bitcoin when it does the final dump. So I'm going to ride up, just like I said in yesterday's video, and then the alt season will go past Bitcoin season. And then when Bitcoin dumps, I am going to sell my altcoins, some of them, and then I'm going to buy this, what I call the safe coins, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I will tell you, I'll probably be 75 to 80% Ethereum. I believe Ethereum is the answer to Bitcoin. All right. So that's what I'm looking at right now. And as you can see, I'm $45 down from where 45,000 down from where I was yesterday. So what I want to do is show you the red. I showed you the green yesterday, but I want to show you the red. And, those of you that's been following, that 3 days ago now, this portfolio was at 60,000 without me putting another dime in. So I'm showing you this now because, to be fair, I'm going to start loading up with cash now. I'm going to start purchasing the cryptocurrencies that I just stated. So I'm going to start buying more at this point. And a lot of people are dollar cost averaging in. I have a certain amount of money that I'm going to put in, and I'll probably put half of that in this dip and just ride it out, right? So as far as the stock market recap, I really not buying anything because there's something new that happens every day. And I do believe after this cycle, after this correction, this correction / bear market is finally over, then we will start to go back up. But I just, to be honest with you, still don't see where it's showing signs, the overall market, that is done. And it just keeps getting hit after hit after hit. And then we crank up a couple of days and then hit after hit after hit. And, for those of you that say, hey, your plan was this, Mike Tyson said it. I had a plan until I got hit in the face. Right. And so, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Remember, you should do your own research. OK, for those of you that's new to the page, please do me a favor and go ahead, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell, and I will keep you informed to the best of my ability. For those of you that's been rolling with me for a while, go ahead and hit the like button. A lot of people keep asking, where can you get these crypto coins? I have a link below called Coinbase. You can get the link, download it, put $100 in there, drag it over, and start trading crypto. But for those of you that are tooling up and getting ready for the next bull market in regular stocks, I will suggest that you download the Webull app. And there's a promotion that's been going on for a little while now. Deposit $100, get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. But I will tell you, keep an eye on both markets, right? Look back to 2020 March. You will see the stock market tanked and Bitcoin tanked. But this time I see something different happening. I see the stock market tanking. I see a lot of money transitioning out of the stock market and going into crypto this time, because I believe that people are not trusting governments anymore. And I believe that the bull market in crypto is going to take off. I believe it's going to extend. And I believe that we're only halfway through the bull run of crypto, even with this pullback. Some will see this as bad news. Some will see this as a blessing to get in. Some of you guys were asking, where could I get in last night? And I was telling you, I was, responding, wait for the dips. Now, here's what I want to tell you from here going out. This is with the stock market and crypto. Whenever you see pullbacks like this, let's deal with crypto. Whenever you see pullbacks like this, never put all of your money in and dump it in and say, this has got to be the absolute bottom. I teach this with traditional stock, the same thing with cryptos. So you want to just cut your money up, cut it up into 3 parts or cut it up into 4 parts. And what I mean by that is just come up with a number, total number that you think you're going to be investing, and only invest a quarter of it. I know this looks really good. You like, it can't go lower than this. I need to load up. Only put a quarter, a third. And this is what I think in all of my years in investing. If I put a piece of money in and I think it's the bottom and I only put like a fourth in and it runs, then I didn't need, that was all I needed to put in. But if it continues to go down again, then I have more fresh powder to put in. All right. Let's not have FOMO, but I am buying crypto at these prices because I see where it's going to be in this cycle. I don't see exactly where it's going to be, but I see it being way bigger than what it is now in this cycle. So I'm going to get in and I'm not going to worry about the volatility. Remember, everybody's path is different. Mine started with $2,400, so I can't lose right now. All right, so everybody's is different. Some of you guys got in when it was high. Some of you guys are just getting in. All right. As always, I love you. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Stay positive. Webull. Enjoy hours of pre- and post-market trading. Stocks and cryptocurrencies all in one app. Finally, a phone-friendly, easy-to-use trading app that helps you become a better trader. Soon you'll be trading like a pro. Webull, the future of trading. Click the link below in the description. Deposit $100 and get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850.